Logistic regression is a very common modeling technique which is used in the analytics world, specifically so in credit risk, but also in marketing analytics, where we need to build risk models or propensity models. And before we go deep into logistic regression lectures, a quick recap on the prerequisites that you need to cover before understanding logistic regression. You need a basic understanding of CLT, or the Central Limit Theorem, and the probability distributions of variables. Your hypothesis testing concepts, including formulation of null alternative, should be clear. You should be able to understand what do we mean by p-value interpretations. Some basic tests like t-test, the chi-square test, and the ANOVA should be covered. And since logistic regression builds upon regression basics, you should have a very strong understanding of the basics of correlation and linear regression, specifically around the assumptions of linear regression and what do we mean by terms such as overfitting, collinearity, and residuals. The tools that we will be using for logistic regression will be SAS, SPSS, R, and Statistica, but I primarily plan to focus more on SAS and R, which are the programming languages. SPSS and Statistica are kind of point and click and are very easy to operate once you understand the concepts of logistic regression and how we go about building models. Now, all of the prerequisites have been covered in my previous lectures, and you're welcome to go through them. While it's not required that you understand all the concepts end to end, but you should have a more than a passing familiarity on all of these topics before we continue.